Today we are going to discuss about Persian rule under the Achaemenid dynasty. The Persian rule included areas that are now Iran, Afghanistan, some parts of Central Asia and Western Pakistan. It was founded by Cyrus the Great, the great emperor in the 16th century BCE. After him, Darius the Great, one of the prominent successor of Cyrus the Great, conquered some parts of northern India. That parts of northern India now is included in Pakistan, that is Peshawar, Charsadda and Taxila. But that time it was called Gandhara province, the richest province of Persian Empire. Now we are going to discuss Persian expansion and influence. Darius the Great expanded the empire further. He annexed parts of northern India and making it the richest province of the empire. Persian influences are still found in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, especially in language, cuisine and culture. यानी अगर आप हकीकत में भी देखें तो आज भी इन इलाकों के यानी बलूचिस्तान और खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के खाने वगैरह वहाँ के कल्चर और लैंग्वेज में बहुत पर्शियन का यानी ईरान का इन्फ्लुएंस आपको नज़र आता है. Let's discuss the Persian government system. Darius the Great was a strict but fair ruler. He divided the empire into provinces called satrapies to make governing easier. Each satrapy, it means province, had a governor called a satrap who reported to the king. Reforms introduced by Darius. He built the royal road, which connected different parts of the empire, established a postal system, encouraged trade and learning, founded a university in Taxila. He actually promoted the teachings of Zoroaster. Zoroaster was the founder of Zoroastrianism. Actually, Zoroaster was believed to be as a prophet of God by his followers. Uh, but we are going to discuss about Darius the Great was very open-minded person, very open-minded ruler, you can say. He never forced people of his empire to worship against their will and never forced them to follow any religion other than their own. It was very great thing. Now we are going to discuss about Gandhara province, a center of trade and culture of that time. Gandhara was an important part of the Persian Empire, as you know. It included eastern Afghanistan, Peshawar, Charsadda, and northwest Pakistan. The capital of Gandhara was Taxila. It was a flourishing center of trade, learning, and art. Gandhara was on a major trade route between the east and west. East means India, and the west means Persia. Okay, so this was the center of the major trade route between India to Persia. यहाँ आप यूँ समझें कि मुख्तलिफ कल्चर्स का और कहना चाहिए मुख्तलिफ किस्म के लोगों का आपस में मिलाप हो रहा था, उनके कल्चर्स, उनकी ट्रेडिशंस, उनकी लर्निंग्स आपस में एक्सचेंज हो रही थी और ये एक मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बन गया था इन तमाम चीज़ों के मिलने का और यहाँ से एक नई और ताकतवर तहज़ीब सिविलाइजेशन जो है वो उरूज पा रही थी. Now we are going to discuss how the Persian rule in the subcontinent started to decline. The Persian Empire weakened due to the constant wars with the Greeks. Alexander the Great invaded Persia and defeated the Persian rulers. He burned down the city of Persepolis, the capital of Persia, to show his victory. This marked as the end of Persian rule in the subcontinent. Persian rule was ended, but Persian influence can still be found in Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces, especially in the language, cuisine, and culture. Now we are going to discuss some important contributions of Persian Empire. Uh, Efficient government system was introduced. Roads and trade routes were made. Education was flourished as Texla was the center of the learning. Religious tolerance was showed towards the people because people could follow their own religion with freedom and liberty. That was very a pleasant and good thing. Now, content review with question and answers. Name the three main cities of Gandhara under Persian rule. The answer is Taxila, Peshawar, Charsadda. Question 2. What made Gandhara an important state? It was a center for trade and learning and culture. It was on the important trade route between India and Persia. Question 3. How did Persian rule on the subcontinent come to an end? The Persians lost battles against the Greeks. Alexander the Great invaded Persia and defeated them. The empire collapsed after the destruction of Persepolis. Now fill in the blanks. The Achaemenid dynasty was founded by Cyrus the Great. Number 2, the capital of Gandhara was Taxila. Darius invaded, Darius divided his empire into provinces called satrapies. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.